Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today you find me in this gorgeous looking BMW 530e. So let's talk about this car a little bit more in more detail. So 530e, so it's a 2-litre petrol engine, chucks out about 250 horsepower combined. This is finished in carbon black. I love this colour with ivory leather. Great combination. It's got a few options on it. So it's got an M Sport Plus back, so it gives you the de-chromed look on the front grille, on the side window, across the windows on the side. It's got the privacy glass, it's got adaptive suspension, and these gorgeous 20-inch wide-spoke alloys, and they really look the part. It's got a tech pack on it, so Harman Kardon sound system. It has the gesture control, head-up display, and a wireless charging mat. Comfort packs are keyless entry, very sensitive keyless entry. Heated steering wheel and front comfort seats. So front comfort seats is, you can move these bits and build that forward to really support your back. Really comfortable seats. It's also got split fold rear seats in this, which if you need it, you need it. But the boot is, we'll talk about the boot later. So this, I've had this for a week now. I have had some problems with it because there's some work to do. There's a recall on it, so I haven't been able to test it properly, but I have had some electric range, and we're going to go for a drive now, and well, I'll tell you what I've been getting. Right, let's go. So when the car arrived, delivery mileage on it. So from that perspective, you know, we know the engine's not run in. Now, what it has had, or it did have, it had 24 miles of electric. So I could actually use the battery as well as the petrol engine. So 24 miles of electric, and on all the journeys that I've been doing, what have I done so far? I've done over 300 miles in the car. I've managed to get 90 mpg, so that's the electric as well as the petrol, so combined. When the electric eventually ran out, and I do mean eventually ran out because it took its time, and all the, I don't know why, just the combination works so well in this. BMW done a really good job in this. When it did run out, depending how I drove it, if I drove it like a complete idiot, then I'll be getting 37 mpg. If I drive a bit more sensibly, you can still get 70, even 80 mpg. So if you are conscious of the way you drive, it's really good. You can really get a good return on it. So let's talk about this car. It is nearly £60,000. It is very expensive, but it's a great car. You know, it feels like as big as a 7 Series or the old 7 Series. You know, the screen is huge. Seats are extremely comfortable. It drives very well. I'll tell you something. I've not driven the new facelift E-Class yet, but will it be able to match this? I don't know. The more BMWs I'm driving, the more I find them better driving cars. You know, if you like your driving, this is what you go and get. Where the E-Class is a bit more relaxed, it's a bit more chilled out. So this goes up against the Mercedes E-Class, so the E300e. Now Mercedes have the petrol, which is the 300e, and then they have the diesel, which is the 300de. I've not driven the facelift as yet. I'm due to get it when they're available. So when they do, we'll give you a comparison. But certainly this car, it just does everything you need it to do. It feels bigger than, it feels a huge car, especially if you got everyone in the car. You got, you know, passengers, 4 adults in it. Really comfortable. It is a car that drives extremely well. The combination of the battery and the combustion engine works very well. The infotainment system's fantastic. It's exactly what you expect out of a BMW. Let's not kid ourselves. Now, some challenges. the boot. Not the greatest, but you can probably do what you need it to do. So the second problem I've had is with the battery. There is a recall on the battery. I did call out BMW Assist, who came and checked over the car and said, look, you can still drive it. So I'm not able to recharge the battery and actually see what more I can get out of it, but 24 miles is what I've seen. I believe you can get up to 30 miles on it. I'm due to get the Estate, the 520e Estate, so what we'll do is have a look at how good the battery is on that when it arrives. This is a very good car. It drives extremely well. It handles the road extremely well. You know, you can kind of really look to go and put your foot down in these cars, and even as a 2 litre, you know, when you're allowed to, obviously up to 70 miles an hour. It just handles the road really well. This is probably, it's a really, really, really good car. Company car drivers, so this particular car, obviously with the heavy spec it's got on it, from April this would cost you about £210 in tax. Obviously if you are a 20% taxpayer and you're getting one of these, it's going to cost you half of that, which is a bargain. Even, to be honest, even at £210, it's great. It's good value. Great option for company car drivers. Is it better than the E-Class? I don't know, because I haven't driven the E-Class, but what I can say is this is an exceptional car. BMW done a great job on it. Drives extremely well. As I said, I've done about 300 miles in this car now. It drives very, very well. Very comfortable. Goes to 70 as quickly as you expect it to. So from that perspective, it's great. This is a very, very good executive car. It sits right up there. I'm not going to say I'm surprised how good it is, because I expect it to be this good. Right, rivals. Right, so this car has got the E-Class, which we mentioned. There's a couple of wild cards out there as well. The Volvo S90, and I believe Audi now have an A6 plug-in hybrid. I think this beats both the Audi and the Volvo all day long. I've not even driven by any of them, but knowing what I know of those two brands, I think this car does it far, far better. Drives better, handles the road better, better comfort levels. Yeah, it's good. It's a nice car. Guys, as always, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section of this video and any of my videos. I read all the comments and do reply to all of you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye for now.